Fireball, hello. Hi, cool. Azo, hello. I graduate from London. Oh, many women, kids, no fathers. No fathers? Alex, hello. Teddy, Teddy. So what are you doing now? Are you working? I graduate from California. Anish, hello. Wes, hello. Hi, Vaughn. I told you. I think you're so very rich kid. Elon Musk. Oh, I know that. You know, I am still studying, but Elon Musk is sometimes I learn like they teaching the teacher of the students. Ano daw? Anish, what are you doing? Good morning. Oh. Anish, you send your WhatsApp to me. Anish, you tap this. You will get the surprise from me. Oh, Jantu. Hi, me. Franco, hello. Tiger, hi. Hi, Noni. Anton, hello. Don't be surprised. Why? You want to surprise me, Teddy? Kim, hello. Hi, boss. Kim, what are you doing? Nothing. Oh, I hope all. Kim, good morning, Rower. I need to work hard. Jan too, thank you. Ani, shoot up that. Does that what if? I think Teddy, you helped me for this. Bekus, hi. Hi, Jibeng. Anish, you tap this oh. I'm donating on this. So you're not poor. I am poor. I'm super. Yes, Anish. Unmuted na ako. You're a liar. No, I'm not. I'm just saying the truth. I am. If I am rich, I didn't stream here. Di ko nga nakita yung number mo eh. Saan mo yung number mo? Nobody, hello. Freddy is here, hello. How are you, Freddy? Sana manalo tayo dyan to. Ikaw. Ikaw, di ko nakita. Freddy, talo. Sayang 400. Hi, kisses. Renato, hello. Freddy, followed me. Followed me ba? Do you have WhatsApp, Freddy? Papa Ken, send mo yung WhatsApp mo sa akin. Tarantado. Asan na yung... I can change, it's very strange. Nakakabuisit. Wolf, hello. Thank you, Freddy. Freddy, you send your WhatsApp. Do you have? Papa Ken, send mo na kasi. Hi, Slim. Wait lang. I will change. Go. You tried that. The dragon bubble. Oo, wait lang. Go, Teddy. Jowa, hello. Jowa ko, hello. Freddy, you send your WhatsApp to me. Do you have?